What is termed as biggest find of 2026? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Aman Khalid and welcome to Pakistan Connect News Bulletin at 3 p.m. Iran launches fresh missiles attack on US. Israeli targets claim destroying 10 drones. The Iranian military has claimed it carried out fresh attacks on US and Israeli targets using more than 40 missiles, while also destroying 10 drones during the operation. According to international news agencies, Iranian officials said that the strikes were launched in response to a recent attack by the United States and Israel. The Iranian military stated that American bases located in Kuwait and Bahrain were among the targets during the retaliatory operation. Pak Army destroys Afghan Taliban's brigade headquarters in Kandahar. The Pakistan Army continues its Operation Ghazab-ul-Haq against Afghan Taliban and militant elements across the border, destroying the brigade headquarters of the 2025 Corps of the Afghan Taliban in Kandahar during a targeted strike on Thursday. FCC lacks power to review Supreme Court verdicts, rules CG. FCC lacks power to review Supreme Court verdicts, rules CG. The Federal Constitutional Court (FCC) on Thursday ruled that it cannot hear the appeals filed against this final Supreme Court decision. Chief Justice Aminuddin Khan, in a written verdict, noted that the 27th Amendment does not grant the Federal Constitutional Court authority to review or oversee Supreme Court rulings. 145 flights from Pakistan cancelled for 6th consecutive day amid Middle East war. The ongoing war in the Middle East has intensified the regional aviation crisis, with more than 20,000 flights cancelled across 8 countries over the past 5 days. According to flight schedules, flights from Pakistan to Middle Eastern destinations remained disrupted for the 6th consecutive day on Thursday, with a total of 145 flights cancelled. Rajab Butt family feud got social media attention. The ongoing dispute between popular Pakistani YouTuber Rajab Butt and his wife Iman Butt's family has taken a serious turn. Iman's brother has recently come forward to expose the facts, claiming that his previous public statements were made solely to protect his sister during her pregnancy. Major oil gas reserves discovered in Kohat, termed biggest find of 2026. Oil and Gas Development Company Limited has announced the discovery of significant oil and gas reserves in Kohat district for Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Stay connected to Pakistan Connect for more updates.